How to get rid of earwax. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to look at how to get rid of earwax with natural home remedies. Earwax is produced by the cells in the ears to help provide an extra layer of protection from infection, and it also helps prevent damage to the skin in both the ears, canals and eardrums. And basically the wax in your ears, it's the equivalent of the sleep that you might get in your eyes overnight, or the mucus you get in your nose to clear it of unwanted bacteria. And earwax helps to trap dust, dead cells and skin, in addition to clearing the ears of potentially harmful bacteria and fungi. And ears are often referred to as being self-cleaning, and that's because the skin of the ear canal grows towards the outside of the ear like a conveyor belt, slowly carrying wax and anything trapped inside the ear to the outside. Some people may naturally produce more earwax than others, and whilst a build-up of earwax isn't serious, it can cause irritation if it's not removed properly. And people who suffer from excessive earwax may experience a sensation of fullness or a pressure in their ears, and it's also not uncommon to have minor hearing loss, as all that earwax can potentially affect the way sound waves travel up your eardrum. And whilst you can purchase over-the-counter eardrops to help clear any excess wax, there are also some natural home remedies that can help treat the condition. Baking soda. You can remove earwax at home using baking soda. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in 4 tablespoons of warm water, and then if you have a dropper bottle, pour the solution into it. And then tilt your head to the side and gently drip 5 to 10 drops of the solution into your ear, 1 drop at a time. Leave the solution in your ear for up to an hour and then flush with warm water. And do this once a day until the earwax clears up, which usually occurs over the following 2 to 3 day period. Oil. Earwax is an oil-like substance, and therefore some oils can cause earwax to soften when the two substances come into contact. And suitable oils to use include baby oil, coconut oil, almond oil or olive oil. And to use oil for earwax removal, very slightly warm your chosen oil and then pour it into a dropper bottle, and obviously always test the temperature before putting it into your ear. And again, tilt your head to one side and place in a few drops of the oil into your ear, and keep your head tilted to the side for 5 minutes, and then repeat once or twice per day. Irrigation. Sometimes earwax can be dislodged by the very light pressure of water flushing, so using a soft rubber bulb made for ear cleaning, fill it with warm water. And then tilt your head to the side with perhaps a thick towel or basin below the ear, and gently squeeze the bulb so that the warm water shoots into your ear, and then allow the water to run down into the towel or basin. And irrigation can be combined with any of the methods we've just outlined, and perform irrigation 5 to 15 minutes after you use baking soda or oil. So basically there are a number of different approaches to removing earwax, which really boil down to either trying to soften the earwax so your ear can naturally move it along on its own, or gently helping to wash it out. Just a word of caution though, if you do have an earwax blockage, one thing you shouldn't do is use a cotton wool bud to try to clear out your ears, as this will only push the wax further up into the ear canal. So we hope you found this information useful. We have many similar videos being created shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.